Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 10.1 question number 8. Find the perimeter of a regular hexagon with each side measuring 8 meter. First of all, know what is the meaning of a regular hexagon. Hexagon means it has 6 sides. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 sides and there right 6 sides, right, and the each side is measured 8 meter, that is 8 meter. It is also 8 meter. It is also 8 meter. It is also 8 meter. This is 8 meter. This is also 8 meter. Eight meter. Okay. Now perimeter of a regular hexagon is equal to, therefore you can say that perimeter perimeter of a regular hexagon of a regular hexagon perimeter of a regular hexagon perimeter of a regular hexagon is equal to how many side, that is 6 side, therefore each side is 8 meter, therefore it is 6 into 8 meter, that is 6 8 is 48, 6 8 is 48 meter, 48 meter, right, 48 meter, right. Therefore find the perimeter of a regular hexagon with each side measuring 8 meter. Regular hexagon means all the sides are 8 meter, right. How many sides? It has 6 sides, therefore you have to multiply 6 with 8, that is 6 is 48 meter. Therefore the perimeter of a regular hexagon is 48 meter. This is the solution of question number 8.